Alright, well, hello. What we're trying to do here is test some inverters, or test an inverter for camping. So we have here a 3.3 kilowatt average Giant Z inverter, which is a Chinese brand. It's only about $300 or $400, so fairly economical. Being powered by a 12 volt AGM 120 amp hour batteries. Now it is a battery. Now it is a fairly old battery. It's probably about 6-7 years old. It's been deeply discharged a few times, so I don't expect too much from the battery. Now we're going to try and run a few appliances here. We've got a Thermomix, now 1.5 kilowatts. Coffee machine, about a kilowatt, and a little milk heater, which is about half a kilowatt. So got about 3 kilowatts worth of equipment here. It's not always easy to know whether the rating on the machine is a peak, an average, or a surge rating. So it's very hard to tell whether an inverter will actually drive or power these appliances. Okay, so the only way to find out is really to test. So let's do it now. We'll turn our inverter on with our remote. The inverter's on. Now I didn't mention, but I've also got a little lamp here. The lamp is a good way of just checking what the voltage is doing on the inverter, because the brightness of the lamp gives you a very quick idea of how the inverter is going. So we'll plug the lamp in, and that's only about 75 watts. Now let's start with coffee first, or maybe we'll get the Thermomix going first. So let's plug our Thermomix in. We've got a little bit of water in there that we can heat up. So Thermomix is on. Let's just go to 90 degrees. 3 minutes, and we'll spin it around at a speed 2, speed 3. Oh, that's running fine. It's heating. Everything's good. The lamp is flickering a little bit, and what you're seeing there is the heating element in the Thermomix turning on and off. And that's causing a small voltage drop on the inverter, and we can see that here on our lamp. That's nothing really to worry about. Okay, let's also pour a little bit of water into our milk frother. So, yeah. Let's turn the milk frother on. Yep. Come up. That's working. Now, we're just going to extract some coffee. But before we do, I'm just going to get a little mug. Okay, here's our mug. Let's turn the coffee machine on. Plug it in. Turn that on as well. Okay, we now have coffee machine heating up, milk being warmed up, the Thermomix is working, and now we will try and extract some coffee as well. Right, we have coffee too. Coffee, milk, Thermomix, and a light. Now the voltage is reading 10.9, so got about 11 volts on the battery, so it is under quite a bit of load here. The output is still at 230 volts, 130 volts AC. It's just keeping up, but it is under a bit of pressure. Now in the caravan, of course, we'll have 2 batteries, so hopefully we'll have a little bit more power, and we will never be running all these things at the same time. Okay, well, it's a lovely cup of coffee. Our milk is nice and hot, it's steaming, and of course it's just water. Brilliant. Okay, I'm just showing something on the video. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, thank you. Looks like it works.